Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Sunday reset routine. And as per usual, Sundays never go the way I have planned. I almost scrapped this video because it is after 3 o'clock and I'm just now filming. But I'm like, no, we're not gonna scrap that just because, you know, I'm not filming as early as I had planned or whatever. I'm tired of trying to make my content perfect. So here we are, it is 3 o'clock and we need to meal plan, grocery shop, and tidy up the house, which thankfully, I don't think tidying up the house will take that long. And I'm not gonna do a full on, like, I was planning on like washing the bedding and all that stuff. I don't think I'm gonna do that today just because it is a little bit later and honestly, I'm just ready to chill. It's been kind of a crazy day. Like, it's been a good day, but it's been a little like hectic, you know? So I think that I'm just going to meal plan, grocery shop, and then just do a quick tidy of the house. I think that will be good enough to reset for my week, but I do think that this is important to do because if I don't grocery shop, I'm not gonna eat as healthy this week. I'm gonna feel like I'm always scrambling to find something to eat for dinner, lunch, all of that. So I definitely need to do that. And if I have a tidy house, then I will feel a lot better and just be more productive this week. So that is what the deal is. Also, I need to be really productive this week because we are gonna visit my family for the weekend. So I won't be working Friday. And so I just have a 4-day week instead of a 5-day week. So it's definitely important that I reset for the week, get ready, and make sure that it is a productive week. So yeah, that is what we're gonna do. I kind of just want to sit here because we just got home, but I know that I really need to go ahead and make a list. I'll show you guys when I get done, but I'm gonna put the list on my phone in the like to-do app. What is that app called? The Reminders app. I've been using the Reminders app and it's game changer. So I will show you guys the list whenever we get that done, and then we will go grocery shop and I will show you guys what we got. Actually, I might clean the kitchen first. It's a little bit of a disaster from last night. I had it like all nice and tidy, and then we cooked last night and we also made paleo brownies, and the whole kitchen is like a disaster. But I mean, that's what happens when you have a small kitchen and you don't have a lot of workspace to begin with. Anything you do in there just makes it look like a disaster. So I'm probably gonna clean that first. That way I have a place to put all the groceries to show you guys when we're done grocery shopping. So that sounds like a plan. I'm gonna clean the kitchen first, then I'll show you the grocery list, talk about the plans for the week, and then we will go get the groceries. All right guys, so here's the state of the kitchen. It's a disaster. It won't be that bad once I put all the dishes in the dishwasher, but I have to unload the dishwasher because I'm pretty sure, oh no, maybe not. There's nothing in it. Okay, so I just have to load up the dishwasher, start that, wipe down the counters, and then we can go grocery shopping. Okay guys, so I made the grocery list. Let me pull it up if I can get it on my phone. Okay, so I made the grocery list. Hopefully you guys can see that. There we go. On the Reminders app. And here's what we're doing this week. We're doing tacos for 2 nights, and then we are doing chicken and potatoes and a vegetable for the other 2 nights. Also, if you can hear Dixie, she really wants to play, and so she's barking at James to throw her toy. She's kind of sassy. So anyway, on the list is stuff for tacos, stuff for chicken. We have the potatoes already. I really tried to look at what we already have and make the grocery list around that because I don't want to be spending any more money than we have to. and I want to make sure we're using the stuff that we already have on hand. So that is what I did. We're doing smoothies for breakfast as we do every morning, and then we are doing, James is doing peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for lunch, and I'm doing the buffalo tuna stuffed peppers that I've been doing for several weeks now. It's just quick and easy and delicious, so we're just gonna stick with that. And then for a snack, instead of doing yogurt this week, I'm just gonna do chia seed, like make the chia seed pudding or whatever. So, cause we already have that on hand. So I was like, you know what? We're just gonna use what we have this week. So that is what we are doing. And now it is off to the grocery store to get this stuff. Okay guys, we are back from the grocery store. Here's our lovely grocery haul. I know it's not like aesthetic or anything crazy. I didn't like set anything up. I just unloaded it all here. So let's just go through it real quick. So this week, AHA waters were on sale. It was buy one, get one. So I like to get the ones that are on sale where I can get a good deal. And I basically love all the different brands, so it doesn't bother me. I just, you know, it's really whatever's on sale. So this week I got Fuji apple and white tea, which I'm super interested to try, and it's one of their caffeinated ones. Then I also got this one, which was their blackberry lemon flavor, which I've been wanting to try. So I'm very excited about that. We got some of Dixie's dog food. Normally we buy the pack of like 12 or whatever it is, but they are not carrying it at our Lowe's anymore. So hopefully they'll bring it back. I don't know. But for now, we've just been getting the individual ones, and I think I'm gonna switch and start going to Sam's Club to get what we need in bulk. But I feel like we're just always like so like blah with grocery shopping. We don't plan it out well, but we need to get better about it. We got 2 things of acai berry for our smoothies that we eat in the morning. I got some of this Primal Kitchen mayo for my buffalo chicken tuna. We've got this, it's like pico with avocado. So instead of getting pico and guacamole, we just kind of got it combined for this week. I got 4 things of this tuna. This is the one that I use because it's just tuna and water. Thing of chicken. We got mini cucumbers, some peppers for my lunches, some zucchini. Let's move over here. Some ground beef, bread for James's sandwiches, bananas for our smoothies, avocado because I can eat this on my peppers. That's why I bought them. But you could also eat them with the tacos, so it works. We got some yellow squash. I think I already said zucchini. We got some of this taco seasoning. This is the brand that I love and use. The spicy one is the best. They have like a regular version, but the spicy is the best. So yeah, and then we also got these little batteries for our living room remote that controls our fan and our lights. And I think that's everything. So yeah, there's the quick little grocery haul. It's not as crazy because we already had some stuff on hand, and also because we're only planning out like 4 days versus 7. So yeah, there we go. Now I'm gonna put all of this away. guys, so I have tidied, I've cleaned, I need to do the dishes, more dishes, it's whatever. I need to unload the dishwasher and reload it because we had too many dishes. But other than that, the house is pretty much tidy, or as tidy as it's gonna be for today, because I'm just done. But anyway, part of resetting my week includes planning, and if you guys don't know, I use Google Calendar and I use Notion. I have a video that I will link somewhere here so you guys can see kind of how I plan. But this is the schedule for this week, and I know on Friday we're not going to be home. I'm not going to be working. I also know that my Rachel Denise Designs, I have everything ready for this week. I'm releasing the t-shirts, so I will just work on that stuff on Thursday because it's going to release on Friday. I do have the t-shirts. If you guys have watched that video, you know what went down with the t-shirts, but I do have the new t-shirts, so we are ready to go, good to go. It's all good, thank goodness. But I think the rest of the week I'm going to spend mainly focused on my sticker shop, because I mentioned that I want to reformat all of our kits, or not all of our kits, but kits going forward. So I think I'm going to work on that a lot on Monday. I also have some YouTube stuff. I know this video is going up on Monday, so tomorrow, and then I don't have a plan for the rest of the week, so I kind of need to get it together in terms of YouTube. Sometimes coming up with content ideas is a struggle, but I do need to figure out my life and get that going again. I'm also trying to do more videos on my sticker shop video, or sticker shop YouTube, so I need to do a plan with me. I have this video already done, and then this one will be the new releases once I reformat everything. So it's mainly just going to be a big sticker shop week / YouTube. Like I said, I'm doing stuff for Rachel Denise Designs, but I'm not coming out with any new mugs. It's just the t-shirts, and I already have them done. Like I have, here, I'll show you guys. Like I have the photos, the mock-ups done, so I really just have to do the listings and list them, have the t-shirts, we are all good. So that's kind of my overview of the week. And then what I do is I will go into Notion. This is last week's to-do list, so I need to fix that and get that done. I also should look and see, I have like no videos planned out for this week, so that's fun. But anyway, I need to sit down and figure out my schedule for the week and what I'm doing and on which days I'm doing and all that fun stuff. So that is what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to take a few minutes to kind of get myself in order to figure it out, and then hopefully we will have a good plan ready to go for the week, and we will have a super productive week. Alright guys, so it is almost 9 o'clock and we cleaned, we did some planning, grocery shopped, all the fun things. But I think I'm going to end this video here because soon it's going to be bedtime, and I'm thinking I might go to bed a little early tonight just because I want to make sure I get up early, and if I go to bed late I don't want to get up early, so you know, I'm like, maybe I should just go to bed early so that way I get up early. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this Sunday reset, plan, grocery shop, clean, all the things video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up for me, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and that bell notification. That way you're notified right whenever I upload and you never miss a video. But that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.